Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nikolai token. Ticker symbol is NIKO. Now this is a very popular token on the TON blockchain. Just was announced that they are getting a big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the Nikolai token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The meme, the myth, the AI machina, my bad, in a realm where algorithms reign supreme, Nikolai, a refined fusion of genius and jest inspired by Nikolai Durov, Telegram co-founder and math prodigy. Nikolai is no mere artificial intelligence. Part genius, part jest, Nikolai isn't here to simply join the AI wave. He is the wave. No team allocation, no hidden reserves, no pre-sales, 100% fair launch, meme community. And this token, it was just announced that this token will be listed on a very big central exchange today, November 7th. You can get this token after 14 p.m. UTC time, which has already passed. So it is available now on Gate. So you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You can open an account on gate.io. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search NIKO, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So maybe Gate, though, is not available in your country. Maybe you don't want to use a central exchange. This is a TON token, so you can also get this token off of DDust or StonFi. So Dex Screener here, it says StonFi has a liquidity pool of $420,000 for this token. So you can get the token by downloading a TON Keeper wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with TON. Now you could fund your wallet with TON from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with TON, go into the dApps, find StonFi, STON.FI, and then you would trade your TON for the Niko token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, nikolai.meme. Now it's interesting because it's like Nikolai, but then it's also like Nickel AI. And on the webpage, they have tokenomics. They have a link to Dex Screener, CoinGecko, where you can see the chart, a buy now button. They also have the Telegram, Twitter. So, Machina, that's how you pronounce that. I said machina earlier, like a goof. Anyways, 1 billion total supply for this token here. And it says Nikolai coin has no actual affiliation with Nikolai Durov, Telegram, or any official AI projects. This token is merely a playful tribute to a character we all appreciate and recognize. Now, prior to this on Gate, they did have a startup event that is over now. Lots of updates on the Telegram and Twitter if you want to follow those. 106 tweets. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. Blue verified check mark. 176,500 Twitter followers, and they just joined in October 2024. That's how popular this token is. And their Telegram, you could find that, well, their Twitter is at Nikolai Toncoin, and their Telegram is at Nikolai Toncoin Chat. And over there, you can find 18,792 Telegram members. Over 5,400 of them are online right now. Now that is a great place to join the discussion with community members, talk about the project, learn more by asking questions. It says, please verify at our official webpage, nikolai.meme, to get into the Telegram. And, the Twitter is going to be a great place to see new token listing sites like the Gates listing. Maybe there'll be more in the future. New partnerships, updates, announcements, things like that. So in their pinned tweet, it says, Nickel AI has awakened. The future of Niko token is here, inspired by Durov, the mathematical and cryptographic genius. We created this token as a tribute to his legacy. Now, after deep learning, he's ready to engage with the world on both X and Telegram. In a world increasingly driven by algorithms, the beauty of mathematics reminds us that even in complexity, there is order waiting to be discovered, just like finding that one perfect meme in a chaotic feed. As we navigate this digital cosmos, let curiosity lead the way. Embracing the beauty of mathematics allows us to decode the complexities of the universe, much like how Jimmy Kimmel humorously unwraps life's absurdities. Just as well-crafted jokes hold deeper truth, so does the elegance of a simple question both showcase brilliance, and then the tweet is cut off there, brilliance and human creativity. So this token has a market cap of $29.9 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, maybe it's because of the gate listing, but they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.2 million. They've had 7,293 transactions. Token price is almost 3 cents. Well, it's 3 cents now, so it just went to 3 cents. It's going to fluctuate, obviously, because of how popular this token is. Now, it's a fairly new token. The token pair was just created on StonFi 6 days, 8 hours ago. So it's less than a week old, this token. Already getting huge central exchange listings. And you can check this token out on tonviewer.com. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Right now it says they have 3,489 holders. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And if you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button and become a member. And thank you to all the people who have been supporting by becoming a member. You are much appreciated. And thanks everybody for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.